Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fade an image in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to the design that contains the image you want to fade. This could be any project you're working on, whether it's a social media post, presentation, flyer, or any other design. Once you have your design open and can see all the elements on your canvas, you're ready to move to the next step. Now, click directly on the image you want to fade. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue border or outline appear around it. This selection is important because it tells Canva which specific element you want to modify. If you have multiple images in your design, make sure you click on the correct one. After selecting your image, direct your attention to the top toolbar at the top of your screen. Look for an option labeled Transparency and click on it. This feature is what allows you to adjust how see-through or faded your image appears, giving you complete control over the opacity level. It's a powerful tool for creating layered effects or making images blend smoothly with your background. Once the transparency panel opens, you'll see a slider that controls the opacity of your image. To fade the image, simply drag the slider to the left. As you move it, you'll notice your image becoming more transparent in real time. Alternatively, if you prefer more precision, you can type a specific percentage value directly into the field. A lower percentage means more fade, while a higher percentage keeps the image more visible. This flexibility lets you achieve exactly the look you're going for. When you're satisfied with how faded your image looks, click anywhere outside the image on your canvas. This action applies the transparency change and deselects the image. Your faded image is now set and ready to be used in your design. And that's it. You've successfully faded an image in Canva, giving your design a professional and polished look. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.